My favorite thing about Thrivent is the price.
We compare all the companies. Thrivent is in our top 1 or 2.
Whether you're looking at for traditional long-term care insurance or hybrid long-term care insurance, Thrivent does have a hybrid long-term care policy out there. Hey guys, I'm Derek Wilkins.
And I'm Drew Nichols. We're LTC Tree, and today
we're talking about Thrivent long-term care insurance.
Did you wear the red shirt just for the Thrivent video?
I did. That's one of their core colors. But yeah, no, Thrivent, it's one of our favorite companies to work with. It's a Christian fraternal organization. Drew, what's a Christian fraternal organization?
Yeah, so Thrivent's actually one of the biggest, if not the biggest, fraternal organizations. So in insurance, you've got different formations of insurance companies. Without getting too technical, fraternal organizations have, like Thrivent, have a kind of a carve out that as long as you're a member of this particular society or sect, in this case Christianity, you can buy insurance from this company. And so Thrivent is just for anyone who's a Christian, and it's an A++ rated company, which is why it's one of our favorites.
It is, yeah. They've been doing it. They were one of the pioneers of the industry in 1987. This is when long-term care insurance first sprouted up, and they've been doing it for the longest.
Yep. And then having said that, they've also got one of the best histories of rate increases. So with long-term care plans, a lot of companies have quite a bit of history of raising their premiums on their past policyholders. As of summer 2025, Thrivent's last rate increase, 2004.
Yeah, so they're a very well-run company. They've been doing this since, I think, 1908. It used to be called Lutheran Brotherhood, and they've evolved over time to become Thrivent Financial, but they have A++ rating. That's a very, for those who are not familiar with that, that's AM Best rating. That's a very rare for an insurance company to get that rating. There's a lot of A+s out there, but to get the A++ means you're doing something right.
Yeah. Now, Derek said it's one of our favorites. We're kind of policy wonks. One of the things we like about Thrivent is there's a lot of customizability to it. For instance, you want an 8-year benefit period? Most companies are 5.
Yeah.
Thrivent offers up to an 8-year benefit. It's very customizable. What are some other differences we can tell?
Well, you know what? When you spreadsheet it out amongst all the companies that sell it, is lowest price. Our LTC Tree, our DNA is finding you the best deal, which means the lowest price premium with the best company. And Thrivent right now is an A++ rated company with a very competitive price.
Yeah, I mean, imagine if the lowest price company was a C or B rated company. We'd have a lot of struggle with that.
Which we've seen that in the past.
We've seen it in the past. We're fortunate right now to have the Venn diagram line up to where the company with the lowest premium, highest possible rating, all the flexibility of the benefits. If you qualify in this fraternal type of policy, you should definitely consider it.
Yeah, exactly. Well, we just want to hop on today and do a video for Thrivent Financial. It's a great, well-run company. We're both Lutherans growing up as kids, and we've known about the company for years, and it's kind of just neat to be able to partner with a company that has such a good just family connection to our families.
Yeah,
and
I had it as a baby. My parents bought me a baby life insurance plan as a baby.
Yeah. So anyway, we're LTC Tree. We don't just work for Thrivent. We work with all the companies.
I was going to say, like, we're sitting here talking about Thrivent like it's the only game in town. We compare all the companies. Thrivent is in our top 1 or 2.
Yeah.
But we work with all of them and we sell all of them. You should definitely get a comparison because it's not always clear cut.
It is, yeah. So whether you're looking at for traditional long-term care insurance or hybrid long-term care insurance, Thrivent does have a hybrid long-term care policy out there. We'll help you compare that. We haven't sold too many of them. We're hoping they'll update it, but that just shows our objectivity. For the traditional long-term care insurance, it's probably one of the top 2 best games in town. The hybrid, not so much, but hey, we work for you, not the insurance company.
And things might change. It changes every month. All right, so we are LTC Tree. Check us out. Give us a call. Check out our website. You can get a free side-by-side comparison of Thrivent and all their competitors.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the video today. See you guys.